Hi everyone and welcome to the August edition of Azure Updates. As always, I just want to stress that all content is publicly available on the web, and this recording is simply a collation of these resources presented in an easily viewable format. Also, if you have any questions or feedback, then please feel free to reach out to me via email or Twitter because I'm always happy to hear from you. So we begin this month's news recording with the recent announcement of the retirement of Azure Remote App. Over the past few years, customers have provided consistent feedback for a comprehensive end-to-end cloud-based solution for delivering Windows applications, and we feel that this is best addressed with our long-term partner Citrix with their new XenApp Express technology. Although still in development, XenApp Express combines the simplicity of application remoting and the scalability of Azure with the security, management, and the performance benefits of XenApp. This helps deliver Windows applications to any employee on any device. It's important to note that we will continue to support existing Azure Remote App customers on the service through August 31st, 2017. We are also following up directly with customers who are currently using Remote App to ensure all options are understood and they have all of the support they need through this transition. In other news, we are happy to announce that Microsoft Azure obtained the ISO IEC 27017 cloud-centric certification with emphasis on cloud-specific threats and risks. Now, Microsoft invests heavily in cloud computing to not only create the most advanced functionality and highest quality services possible, but also to ensure security, compliance, privacy, and transparency are provided to our cloud service customers. Products like Azure Security Center and Microsoft Transparency Hub, in addition to activities such as our ongoing legal effort to protect privacy rights across the globe, show our holistic approach to trust and security which no other cloud service provider can match. We continue to maintain the largest portfolio of cloud certifications and help customers meet their compliance requirements across a broad range of regulated industries and markets. This includes financial services, healthcare, life sciences, media and entertainment, worldwide public sectors and government. This new certification provides guidance on the 37 controls in ISO IEC 27002 and features 7 new controls not previously addressed, meaning that both cloud service providers and cloud service customers can leverage this guidance to effectively design and implement cloud computing information security controls. For more information on Microsoft Azure's unmatched compliance portfolio, please visit our Trust Center. We also continue to lead across a broad range of cloud technologies and are recognized by Gartner in multiple Magic Quadrants, which is reassuring when you consider that according to the IDC, 70% of CIOs will embrace a cloud-first strategy in 2016. By partnering closely with customers around the world, we see the natural path to enterprise cloud adoption. Starting with software services like email and collaboration, and then moving to infrastructure for storage, compute, and networking, before finally embracing platform services to transform business agility and customer engagements. While Azure is a world-class cloud platform for Windows, it's also recognized for industry-leading support for Linux and other open-source technologies. Today, nearly 1 in 3 VMs deployed on Azure are Linux. Strong momentum for Linux and open source is driven by customers using Azure for business applications and modern application architectures, including containers and big data solutions. As customers build more powerful applications using Azure SQL Database, we see strong demand for high performance. Because of this, we are excited to announce the general availability of our largest SQL database DTU level to date. The new P15 performance level offers 4,000 database transaction units, which is more than twice the power of our current P11 offering and allows for extremely fast transactional processing, real-time analytics, and up to a terabyte of storage. This configuration supports a broad range of high-performance workloads, scaling on the fly and instantly adapting to changing demands. Also, Azure Active Directory authentication becomes generally available in Azure SQL Database and Azure SQL Data Warehouse. This provides an alternative to SQL authentication and enables centralized identity and group management. This new feature enables a single sign-on experience, simplified permission management, federated domains, and integrated Windows authentication. In terms of compute, we are delighted to announce that the Azure N-Series virtual machine tier is now available in preview. The N-series instances are enabled with NVIDIA's cutting-edge GPUs to allow you to run GPU-accelerated workloads that split into two categories. The NC series compute-focused GPUs are able to run compute-intensive HPC workloads using CUDA or OpenCL. This SKU is powered by Tesla K80 GPUs and offer the fastest computational GPUs available in the public cloud. Furthermore, unlike other providers, these new SKUs expose the GPU through discrete device assignment, which results in close to bare metal performance, meaning you can now crunch through data much faster across many scenarios, including energy exploration applications, crash simulations, ray trace rendering, deep learning, and more. The second category, the NV series, is focused more on visualization. Now, data movement has traditionally been a challenge with HPC scenarios using large data sets produced in the cloud. With the Azure NV series, you'll be able to use the Tesla M60 GPUs and NVIDIA Grid for desktop accelerated applications and virtual desktops. With these powerful visualization GPUs, you will be able to visualize graphic-intensive workloads with ease. We know that when building a search-enabled application, data can come from many places and can take many forms. So making it easy to ingest a variety of data sources is extremely important. Bringing amazing search to your data just got a little easier as we announced preview support for Azure Blob and Azure Table data sources in the portal. This allows you to make your Microsoft Office, HTML, PDF, and other documents searchable with just a few clicks and provides a simple user interface to pick accounts and containers from within your subscription. There are multiple applications for this new service. Perhaps you want to index blobs contained in an Outlook email archive or create a resume search application to streamline your hiring process. The wizard-driven service will detect your metadata fields and suggest an index. If needed, it will open documents and extract text into content fields, allowing you to take advantage of your data easier than ever before. We are also pleased to announce that HTTP2 functionality is now available for all customers with an Azure CDN from Akamai. This feature is on by default for all existing and new Akamai standard profiles, meaning everyone immediately benefits from the enhanced functionality at no additional cost. HTTP2 is designed to improve web page loading speed and optimize user experience. All major web browsers already support HTTP2 with benefits including multiplexing and concurrency, header compression, stream prioritization and dependencies, and server push technology, allowing servers to push responses proactively into client caches. Finally, we're excited to announce the preview release of alerting and monitoring for Azure Backup. This feature has been heavily requested and currently the top voted idea on Azure Backup User Voice. In a continuation of the simplified experience using the new Recovery Service Vault, customers can now monitor cloud backups for their on-premises servers and Azure IaaS virtual machines in a single dashboard. In addition, they can also configure email notifications for all backup alerts. So another big month for the cloud with lots of innovation and collaboration. If you're interested in beginning your own cloud journey or building on top of the systems already in place, then I would encourage you to take my free step-by-step training series at www.cloudandproud.info. Working together and over the course of a number of interactive sessions, we will build a working company and explore many of the new features offered by the Microsoft Cloud. This will in turn prepare you for certification and build confidence in what you're able to achieve. I thank you for your time and look forward to seeing you on our next monthly updates.